So guys, this is the back of my house. This is how dirty this bad boy looks, and that's the Harbor Freight power washer that we're going to be using today. So let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy satisfying videos, because that's exactly what this was. I didn't want to speed it up and shorten it too much. I wanted to give you a feel for the cleaning and the transformation on my fixer-upper. So if you like that, make sure you continue watching and enjoy. Thumbs up the video if you like satisfying videos like this, and I will see and talk to you guys later, Gators. Wait, pause. I just wanted to share one more thing with you. One more thing. This bad boy right here, this retractable hose that I got from Amazon is amazing. I talked to you guys about this a couple months ago. It has been rocking out with me and I'm loving it. So if you want to know more about this retractable 100-foot hose, not sponsored, just my money and things that I love to share, stay tuned on my channel because I'll be sharing that with you as well. So, okay, yeah, enjoy the video. Later. Wow, that's real dirty. Hey guys, so yeah, my camera decided it wanted to die, so I couldn't get the footage all the way to the end, but I wanted to share with you how this power washer is so amazing from Harbor Freight. Less than like 85 bucks. 90 bucks, let's just say 90 bucks. If you enjoyed this satisfying video, make sure you thumbs up the video, share the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and also hit that bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. Check out my shorts and community posts because I'm going to be posting lots of great videos for you. So guys, check out these clips of how the before and after looks. Later, Gators. Okay guys, look at this. Isn't that so satisfying? Like, this looks so good. I know it's a lot of little things that still need to be done, but we're focusing on the power washing. We're focusing on how great the siding looks after that amazing power wash with the Harbor Freight power washer. Like, I'm so loving it. Guys, I'm going to show you another before little clip, and then I'm going to go back and show you the after. Then we're gonna go back. You know, you gotta kind of go back and forth so you can see the actual transformation. Look how dirty. Look how disgusting. Do you see that? Look how nasty and filthy it was. Like, it was really dirty out there. It was really dirty out there. But then we're gonna throw in some still shots so you can see the difference. So this is clean, nice and clean, looking nice and spiffy and ready for their photo shoot, right? But then you have the yeah, it was needed. It was definitely needed. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do because I already told you. So once again, later, Gators.